Hello dear students. In the previous class, we have learned that how polygon and ellipse has been drawn in AutoCAD. Now today we are going to start a new topic, that is the modify commands. How to modify the drawing in AutoCAD by using modify commands. So I have already told you that this is a ribbon area, and in the ribbon area, this first part is the draw command that we have already discussed. Now the second part is of modify. So these are the modify commands, and we can also use the modify command from this part. So for the modify commands, we need some drawing. So let us suppose we have draw a line. So for drawing a line, I have select this line, then specify first point. So I have specified first point, and now the AutoCAD is asking me that what dimension of the line is to be drawn. So I have taken it as 100, and for escaping from the line command, I have to press escape key. Now the first modify command that I have to use is move. Move command is used to move some drawing to the other place. If I want to move this line here, then I have to use this move command. So for that, I have to click on this symbol, or I have to type move and this type a command here. So I will use this. So after selecting move command, AutoCAD will ask you that select object, the object which has to be moved. Okay, so I have to click on this. So click on this line. Now after this, I have to press enter key. Okay, now AutoCAD will ask you that specify base point, the point about which you have to move this line. So let us suppose I have to move this line with respect to this point. So with respect to this point, I can move like this. Why I am moving in horizontal direction or in vertical direction? Only because our ortho mode is on. So if we want to move the line at some angle, then I have to off this ortho mode. Now you can see that I can move this line with respect to this base point at any angle. Okay, now I have to click the point at which I have to leave the drawing. So click here. So this line from here will move at this point. So this is the use of move command. Now the second modify command is copy command. Copy command is used to copy the component. If we have to draw 4 similar components in a drawing, then we can use the copy command. For that, what we have to do, we have to select copy command from this modify area, or we can type copy command in this command line. So I have selecting this copy command here. So after that, when you will select copy command, then AutoCAD will ask you that select object which you want to copy. Okay, and after that, so this, I have to copy this line. So I will select this line by clicking on the mouse and then press enter. Now it will ask you that specify base point about which you want to copy this line. Suppose I am selecting this end point of the line. So with respect to this base point, I can copy the line. For copying the command, I have to press the left mouse button. So in this way, I can copy this line. And if I want to escape from the copy command, I have to press escape key in the keyboard. So this is how the copy command works. So I think move command and copy command is clear to you. So for today it is over. I will discuss the other modify commands in next class. Thank you so much and have a nice day.